Our morning started with a soft rain, the kind that makes everything feel calm and fresh. All around the homestay, everything is green, trees, plants, just nature everywhere you look. A few meters away from the homestay, there's the river. You can hear the motorboats heading to Phong Nha, gently passing by and adding a bit of life to the peaceful morning. Our homestay is like a typical Vietnamese house. Simple, open, and close to nature, and you can feel the fresh air and the quiet of the neighborhood. Today, our destination is Phong Nha Cave, one of the most famous caves in Vietnam. It's known for its beautiful limestone formations and its underground river, and it's part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. To visit Phong Nha Cave, you first need to pay an entrance fee of 150,000 VND. After that, you'll be assigned to a boat along with other visitors, as the cave can only be accessed by a river. The boat ride is part of the experience, taking you along the scenic Sun River before entering the cave itself. The boat fee is shared among the group, so the more people there are, the less each person has to pay. The boat ride to Phong Nha Cave takes about 25 to 30 minutes and is calm and scenic. Along the Sun River, the riverside is lined with lush greenery, rice fields, and small villages where you can spot local fishing or working by the water. The mountains rise gently at first, then grow taller into limestone karst covered in dense vegetation, creating a beautiful natural backdrop. Along the way, you'll pass other wooden boats carrying visitors, moving slowly in both directions. Some are heading toward the cave while others are returning, adding a quiet, lively rhythm to the otherwise peaceful journey. As you approach the cave entrance, you'll see rows of boats lined up, waiting for visitors who are still inside, giving a sense of how popular and well organized the visit is. The ride to the cave entrance is slow and steady, gliding smoothly over the calm surface of the Sun River. As you get closer, the boatman eases off the engine and the movement becomes quieter and more gentle. The towering limestone cliffs begin to surround you, and the entrance of the cave gradually comes into view, dark and white against the rock. The boat carefully makes its way toward the opening, sometimes joining a line of other boats moving at the same relaxed pace. The atmosphere feels cooler and calmer, and there's a sense of anticipation as you drift closer to the cave. There are many boats inside, moving in an orderly line through the cave. Some glide forward while others pause at wider sections, creating a gentle flow of traffic. Despite the number of boats, the space still feels calm with only the soft sound of paddles and echoes of water surrounding you. Inside the cave, the atmosphere becomes cool, dim, and quiet. The boat moves slowly through the dark water, often switched to manual rowing to keep the space peaceful. Soft lighting reveals impressive rock formation, stalactites hanging from the ceiling and stalagmites rising from below, shaped over thousands of years. lead you through a section of the cave, allowing you to get closer to the formations. You'll also climb up toward an opening where you can look out from the cave entrance and take in the view before continuing the journey. Up close, you can see the intricate details of the stalactites and stalagmites with their unusual shapes and soft, glowing colors under the lights. The cave feels vast and quiet, with high ceilings and cool air surrounding you. As you walk and climb the steps, different angles reveal new formation and hidden corners, making the experience feel immersive and almost otherworldly. Exploring the inside on foot, you'll follow the path back down toward the cave entrance, where your boatman will be waiting. Returning to the calm rhythm of the river after the stillness of the cave. From there, the boat gently pulls away from the entrance, giving you one last view of the towering cliffs before heading back along the peaceful Sun River. As the scenery slowly passes by again, the whole experience feels unhurried and almost meditative. A perfect mix of nature, adventure, and quiet beauty. Visiting Phong Nha Cave isn't just about seeing a cave, it's about the journey getting there and back. If you're in the area, it's an experience that's both easy to enjoy and hard to forget.